There's Millie.
Throw that bread over there.
Millie wants to get the squirrels. They're running in the tree. She's on a leash.
So I put it over closer to the base of the tree so they can eat it.
Yes, they can eat it.
They're not going to come that close to that cat. So they were trying to tether her around.
Having a family cookout.
That squirrel knows she's tied up, so.
Eddie Jr. Eddie Sr. Say hi.
Hello.
And Mama. Hello.
Is that going to make YouTube too?
I don't know, and there's the grill.
You don't want any more of this, do you?
I might.
Caca.
Oh, there's a squirrel. No
I'll
hush.
put it on your plate.
Yeah, go ahead and watch.
There you go.
The squirrel's right there. Move out of the way.
I'm going to hit some squash over there.
Oh, the squirrel's at the base of that tree right over there.
What do we got here? Summer
And
squash.
there's Millie.
Wow.
It's kind of funny because I think the squirrel knows the cat can't come and get it. Otherwise, she would have done it already. Summer squash?
Yep.
Ooh,
Steaming
now
hot.
that looks yummy.
It's going tasty and yummy.
There comes
It's all
some more.
falling apart.
Ooh, that's hot on my ankle.
Oh, I got some zucchini too over here.
Ooh, zucchini.
Yes, I do.
Oh, it's really taunting her. I have to walk around. Where is it?
Let's stand where I am.
He's right there. They're coming down the tree right there.
You have to pick this zucchini out any way you can.
And there's Millie. She's like, I want that squirrel and I want it now.
I got her tied pretty good with that bush there. I don't think you're going to go out.
Ooh, here comes another squirrel. Hello. Don't get too close, Dad. You're scaring him. There you go. Throw her some bread.
Yeah, I have zucchini and dinner that you eat.
Oh. It's okay. Go get the bread. It's okay. I see peekaboos. I see you. And Millie's watching the squirrels run around the tree.
Chattering, chasing each other around the tree.
Maybe the bird chittering. Oh, there goes a squirrel and it's so close to Millie. It's not even funny. It is right over there, just past Millie.
They may actually become friendly because of that.
Now that would be funny to see a squirrel and a cat. Oh, look, that squirrel's getting way close to Millie.
It's too close for comfort.
Which one's that?
The big one that we usually feed. But the little one's over here being smart, and it's eating the bread we just left it.
They've been chased by the neighbors quite a few times, so they kind of know.
That one's getting so close to her, it's not even funny.
Really?
It's within 8 steps.
Curious, they're checking each other out.
That is so cool. So I gotta stop this because I only get a 5-minute upload on my window for